Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image when I was in school a long time ago. Well, black and white 35mm image. Well, just like this. No, much old films of this. Okay, well, I have this image, black and white, and also I have this image, which I made watercolor image from that base image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image, which I made by Adobe Photoshop, used a filter called Find Edges. I used this pencil drawing type image and also this black and white image to make. I made this image, watercolor image, from those two images almost a year. Well, this time though, I want to use these three images. This pencil drawing type image, and I colored this painted watercolor image. Then I want to use this base image to make something interesting, hopefully impressive image. Well, let's get started. Now I have 35mm this big tree image, but I want to see this watercolor image. I just want to change this. Well, check it out. This watercolor image, change the blend mode, color dodge. That's pretty impressive. Look at this trees. Color dodge. This one is pretty impressive to me. Yeah, just remember this color. Let me see, change this base image. Nothing changed much. Just normal, huh? Well, okay, I'm gonna make one image from this, but I just want to check the other ones. Let's see, since we have three different images, move around. Well, this is interesting. We have three images here. The pencil drawing type image I changed to darker color, max 100%. Then watercolor image changed to color dodge 100% also. On this base image, just regular black and white image to get this. Well, let's see if I can add bluer sky something. Well, let's check. Add layer, paint, brush, artistic to, let's see, hearts. Doesn't have texture, but just try it. Blue sky on this layer. Because there is a darker color shows. Okay, I'm gonna bring this layer up. Then change blend mode to color. Let me see, move this layer over this image. Or, oh, I got it. How about turn this one off? And I want to try on this again. I changed color, so I'm going to bring this one back to about around here, huh? Okay, just leave it normal. Adjust the add layer and well, just leave it this way. Then I'm going to add some other colors. Just want to see it. On the same layer, eraser tool, Okay, just erase it. Now I want to change this pencil drawing type image darker color to, well, it's not much interesting. Okay, I'm gonna make this base image normal, max, with color dodge max on this watercolor image. I want to fix this image. I like this tree's expression, so now make group, then duplicate layer, then flatten this image. I fixed now. This is one new one. Now move these two images just out of group and deleting this group. Now I don't need this color layer, so I'm gonna delete this. I don't need now. Now we have 4 images. This is darkened 30%. Well, I like this illustration type image. Yes, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and then the opacity is 30%. Okay, it's same thing, but I'm gonna turn this one off. Then I wanna, let's see, some interesting, well, just Gaussian blur to this pencil type image, 5%, give it 5%, so easy to see. Alright, now the difference between this layer is Gaussian blur, so just leave it this way, and this is a little bit more clear, right? Okay, that's not much big difference, just different feeling. Yeah, okay, leave it this way, and now what I can do is add some different color, add layer. Well, let's see, little pine, no paint on this layer with, well, I don't know if I can smudge these. Let's see, smudge evolve. I guess it's a mix-up. Let's see, go back to this. Yeah, I think we can set some kind of image. That's the one thing. Well, that's maybe interesting. Yeah, okay. We can use some bluer color on this layer. This time evolve. Now, same thing, smudge. Maybe interesting to get out of this texture because of this smudge shape. Smudging these brush textures takes a little while to take this texture out, huh? But it shows some interesting image expression, just like a blur image or something. Yeah, this is one thing to add colors on the illustration. Add color and smudge to mix up, leave some texture and take out some, soften up. Yeah, how's this? Nice pastel image background. Yeah, one way to show some, well, I can go from here too, like let's see. Add paint on this layer, no more layer. And then smudge. And same. It's kind of some kind of dry media image maybe. Well, smudging. And also we can see this if I don't, well, turn this straight line more darker and get out of that soften image. This one shows more sharp, huh? This is, yeah, different feeling. And again, I'm still working on smudging here. Alright, I guess finally something more pastel look, illustration. Well, it's not like a watercolor, but color wise it's kind of close, huh? Well, even so, it's kind of dry media type illustration, and base image was this one is more watercolor image. It is watercolor, and these are dry media type image. Well, thank you guys, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of creative idea for you guys. And well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.